The skies over our cities are changing. Drones are already flying, inspecting bridges, safeguarding live events, delivering medication, and assisting emergency response. But here's the problem. They're doing it all in silos. Most cities today operate with fragmented drone programs, different departments, separate systems, no shared oversight. The result? Duplicated resources, gaps in safety protocols, lack of proper security or post-operation audit trails, limited visibility into who's flying, where, or why. It's a growing risk in our increasingly crowded skies. To unlock the full potential of drones safely, efficiently, and at scale, cities need a structured, centralized approach. Airspace Link's AirHub portal delivers exactly that, a full-scale drone operations management system. At the heart of the system is the drone operations lifecycle, a streamlined end-to-end framework that ensures every drone mission is compliant, coordinated, and secure. Let's break it down. Step 1. Work order management. Operations start with a mission and a work order request, which may originate from a number of different sources depending on your organization, including Esri's ArcGIS Survey 123, ServiceNow, or a 911 dispatch. Step 2. Resource management. Crew and asset management, scheduling, drone assignments, and pilot certifications are tracked in real time, ensuring the right people with the right equipment are on every mission. Step 3. Operations management. Plan your operations, receive FAA authorization, request internal approval, complete risk assessment checklists, and integrate with UTM systems, ensuring flights are safe, legal, and ready for takeoff. Step 4. Post-operation oversight. After every flight, automated audit logs and compliance reports ensure complete documentation. All data is securely stored with SOC 2 and ISO-compliant security, then seamlessly integrated back into your work order system for easy mission review. At the center of it all, the Operations Center. This is your command hub, providing real-time situational awareness across all authorized and unauthorized drone activity in your airspace. Track operations, monitor compliance, maintain jurisdictional oversight, and detect encroachments, all from one centralized dashboard. This is more than software. It's a blueprint for smart, safe, and scalable drone integration across your city. One system, one airspace, fully connected. Airspace Link, your city, your skies, connected.